Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about dimensional analysis and how to solve problems. Now dimensional analysis is very important for things like stoichiometry, where you have to do moles conversions and gram to gram conversions and whatnot. So first you have to determine what the unit conversion is when you're trying to do dimensional analysis. So you usually carry all the units throughout the calculation and you begin to cross those out depending on what you have. And then if all the units cancel out except the units, then the problem was solved correctly. So let's go ahead and do the first review here. How many ml are in 1.63 using dimensional analysis? Now first off, we have to figure out how to do the conversion from liters to ml, and we already know that 1000 ml equals to 1 liter. So if that's the case, what you're going to do is you're going to put 1.6 L in the front, indicating what you know, and then you're going to multiply it by a fraction indicating the ratio or the conversion factor, what they call it, to cancel out the actual units. So 1.63 cancel with the L's, and you're going to end up with the ml on top. 1.63 times 1000 gives you 1630. Cancel out the liters and you should end up with that. Your final answer should actually reflect the actual portion. So if I want to go ahead and do the exact same thing, if I do it the opposite, I would end up with L2 ml, which is incorrect. So in this specific case, you could see that the conversion did not work. Alright, here's another example of dimensional analysis using physics. So the speed of sound in air is about 343 meters per second. What is the speed in miles per hour? So first we have to find the conversion from meters to miles. And we already know that 1 mile equals 1609 meters. If you also need to know the seconds to hours conversions. And we already know that's 1 second as far as 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. And 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Now the reason why we have to know that is because the problem's giving us in seconds, but they want us to find it in hours. So that's probably going to be a couple of conversions here. So we're going to use a 343 meters per second. We're going to rearrange it as a fraction. We're going to multiply that by 1 mile over 1609 to get the miles. We're going to cancel the miles out. And then we're going to end up with canceling out the miles, which is going to be the minutes. And then we're going to end up with the other part, which is going to be the actual time. So 60 seconds to 1 minute to an hour. So we cancel out the minutes here, and we get cross cancel that, cancel the miles, cancel the minutes, and you end up with the hour. Now this is actually a two-part conversion, three-part conversion, because you have to convert first the meters to miles, and then you have to convert the seconds to the hours, and that's why we have these two. So whatever's left behind, that's how you know you actually did it correctly. Alright guys, well thank you very much. This is the end of Unit 1 basics here. We're going to go ahead and move over to our next one.